S&A Chiller CWFL 3000 ENW is an all-in-one designed cooler for cooling 3000 watts handheld laser welding machine. It's user-friendly in that users no longer need to design a rack to fit in the laser and the rack mount chiller. With a built-in S&A industrial water chiller, after installing a fiber laser for welding, it constitutes a portable and mobile handheld welding machine. The outstanding features of this machine include being lightweight, movable, space-saving, and easy to carry to processing sites of various application scenarios. It is suitable for various welding scenarios. CWFL 3000 ENW has dual temperature control modes, which allows separate cooling of the laser and the welding gun, with the temperature precision of +or -1, and the ability to control the temperature quickly and stably. You can rest assured that your laser runs smoothly and efficiently.